Good morning, everyone. Back over at the Q. Got a little rest and downtime from our big today's special value with our mugs. Thank you for all of you who tuned in. I like the light better this way. Thank you for all of you who tuned in during the day. So many of you were so excited about it and have already been posting all of your photos. Show us your mug shot. We love that. So thank you to everyone there. And who's getting ready for Thanksgiving? Can you believe it? Like, we are in the home stretch. We have our family. Hello, Rich. How are you? We have our family and friends. Lisa Lasort. Let me tell you about our morning, okay? That girl, she's a rock star. Both of us woke up at 3:45 a.m. And I picked her up at about 4:45 a.m. We drove to the airport. I dropped her off at the Philadelphia airport because she is up at the shopping channel with what they call their showstopper, which is like a today's special value. So she's going to be sharing the mugs and the mini loaves with everybody in Canada. So how cool is that? So I dropped her. She's headed to Canada and I was headed to QVC. So it's a Temp-tations kind of day. So hello, my friend. Glad you got there safely. Hey, Betty. Hey, Terry. Hello. Hi, Collie. How is everybody? Diane and Angie. I got to switch arms already. Whew. I need to start working out. Hey, Erin, how are you? Hi, Devin. Hi, everybody. Happy Sunday. So we have lots of things to talk about. First of all, everything's on 6 easy payments, which is amazing. I love that. Love being able to go through like all of your holidays from Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter potentially, right? Because it's early this year. And you're not even finished paying for everything. I love that. Is everybody getting ready for Thanksgiving? What's everybody doing? I just started to say that everybody is actually coming down to Delaware. Well, most of our kids are coming down from Delaware, and my sister was supposed to come, but she couldn't swing it. So I'm a little disappointed there, but I'm looking forward to seeing everybody and connecting, especially with our little itty bitty granddaughter, Elliot, who is just the sweetest thing. And then I think the Lasorts will all be down, so we'll probably see them at some point. So really, really looking forward to just some chill time. Okay, so besides that, lots to talk about. Like I said, 6 easy payments. We have a brand new item today, and I hear Mr. Venable coming, so I'm going to try to hurry up. But look what we have here. We have a 2.5 quart. Now, this is a one-time only. We're not going to be bringing this back. So we have this centerpiece bowl here, and then we have the 4 individual minis. These are 12 ounces. We did them in all of the holiday colors, your poinsettia, your festive fetty. Look at this. It's a choice of. We did it in, of course, your winter. And then last but not least, we did it in festive. So festive is going to have that engraved detail. By the way, we've never done anything like I like to call them like our little mini boats. They're so cute. I love these. I love these for your side dishes. I love everything about it. So your 2.5 quart centerpiece bowl, that is like gigunda. I'm not sure that's a word, but it sounded fun. Melissa Epps is watching. Are you in the show today, my friend? I hope so. I want to give you a little squeeze. And then, of course, look at this festive fetty. These just make awesome gifts. Even the little guys, if you wanted to personalize them. Well, let me give you some ideas. Walk this way. We did a cute little nacho station where we have all of your little accoutrements that you want to put out with all of that. Hey, Shane, say good morning. Morning. Shane's the man. Shane helps us backstage like you wouldn't even believe, among many, many other things. Mac and cheese, individual breads. Like, can we just talk about how these breads bake up? Like, whoa, that's some bread. Okay. Well, I love it. We have some entertaining ideas. We have hot fudge sundaes, which are going to go in there. Dun, dun, dun. Taco boats. I love taco boats. Oh, Melissa's home. Well, stay warm, my friend. It's cold and chilly here. And there, of course, is a beautiful cobbler. So I think the rumor is David is launching some of his aprons today, and we're going to get to wear them, which I'm super excited about. And so that you should definitely check out that. And if you were just wondering what I was doing, I can't tell you. It's part of the secret. There's a big surprise coming at the top of David's show, so you're not going to want to miss it. I'm fairly confident I know what it is, but I mean, you never know. You just never know. Okay, so brand new item today, only in holidays choices, which we're super excited about, and you're going to definitely want to check out those aprons that I saw they were teasing. and everything is on 6 easy payments. And send Lisa a shout out. She is up in Canada, presenting our mugs and our mini loaves up there. So that's exciting. And I hope everybody has, please offer bunt pans. Love that. Working on one, by the way. Good morning, Ed. Did he join on? Did he join in? I didn't see. I did not see. My husband said banana splits. Love banana splits. Shane, we already got banana splits, taco boats, like so many different ideas. And like I said, we've never done these pieces before. So grab yours before they go crazy, because everybody's been loving it just from quick little pre-sale that we showed. Okay, so everybody, it's nice to check in with all of you. Good to see you all again after our big day on Wednesday. Oh, Lisa, sorry, she's gently yelling at me like, hey, tell everybody we kick off at 11 p.m. tonight. Good luck, good luck, good luck. It's so fun. Hello, Rosalia. I guess Ed is on because everyone's saying hi. So hello, sweetheart. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Like I said, I was out of the house at about 4:30, so we did not see each other. He was barely awake when I left, and all 4 dogs. They actually were awake. They just like to go out with me. Okay, everyone, good to see you. Thank you. And let's get ready for some Thanksgiving. Let's get ready for some In the Kitchen with David. And we'll see you soon. Okay, bye.